Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XLM on Binance. First, you will need to set up and verify your account to ensure secure transactions. Next, we will cover how to add funds to your account using several easy methods. Then, I will guide you through finding the Stellar Lumens, or XLM, trading pair on the platform. Finally, we will walk through placing your buy order, whether you prefer an instant purchase or a specific price point. Funding your Binance account is straightforward. You can deposit traditional money, known as fiat currency, using methods like a bank transfer or a credit or debit card. Another option is to transfer existing cryptocurrency from an external wallet directly to your Binance account. Remember, completing identity verification is essential, especially for fiat deposits. Always review any potential fees and the expected processing times for your selected deposit method. Once your account is funded, it is time to find Stellar Lumens. Navigate to the Trade section on Binance and select Spot Trading. Use the search bar, typically found on the right side, to type in XLM and find its trading pairs, like XLM versus UST. You can then review the interactive price chart and the order book to gain market insights. Binance provides over 1,500 trading pairs, offering many choices. Now you are ready to place your order. You have two main choices, a market order or a limit order. A market order executes instantly at the current best available price. A limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy XLM, and it will only execute when that price is met or bettered. Enter the amount of XLM you wish to acquire or the total amount of currency you want to spend. Finally, confirm your order details to complete your Stellar Lumens purchase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.